Hello friends, on this video how you can solve your Play Store problem. Suppose your Play Store you cannot install any apps, you cannot open Play Stores, then how you can solve this problem on your OnePlus tab. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, at first you have to just press on your Play Store for 3 seconds. After you press for 3 seconds, here you can see the I information, so you have to click on information. Then from here you have to scroll down and here you can see storage usage. So friends, tap on storage usage and from here click on clear data, and here it says clear app data. This app's data including files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Okay, click on delete and after that your problem will be solved. If it doesn't solve, then you have to move on setting. Okay, suppose here is my setting, just move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll on the down and click on here apps. Okay, when you tap on app, here you can see app management. Click on app management, scroll on the down and here you can search also on the search setting, or you can scroll down and here you have to click on Google Play service. Click on Google Play service. Then after that from here again you have to scroll on the down, click on data usage, or you can say storage. Okay, and here click on clear cache and click on data. After you click on clear cache, then click on data usage, and from here you can see disable network background total. After you clear your storage, from here you can just click on manage space, and from here when you click on manage space, from here you can see clear all data. Okay, just click on clear all data and your problem will be solved easily. And if it doesn't solve, then friends, do not forget to check your internet connection. If there is internet connection, then you can check videos on my channel how to solve internet problem or Wi-Fi problem. Okay, if you have internet problem or Wi-Fi problem, do not forget to connect your Wi-Fi if you cannot play your Play Store. Okay, if it's connected but there is a problem, then you can follow my method how to solve your problem on your Play Store. Okay, on your OnePlus tab Play Store. So friends, hope you loved your video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.